Hey guys, I just got home from school. Look, tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to my grandma's house with my little cousin, and we might do some fidget things because she's 7-year-old and she likes fidgets, I guess. So I'm gonna be showing you what I made. There's no edits in this video, just so you know. Just press the record button, you know. So the first items I'm going to bring are my squishies. Like, these are only some of my fidgets. I mean, I only have a few left, but you know. Show you my squishies. This is a mesh ball, but I just cut it open. And the slime inside of it is like weird. It's like hard to poke my nail through it to get it through. I mean, this one, you see this nail? This nail usually works to get through it, but like, okay, I'm trying now. Okay, just go through. You know, so, there's this one. Don't mind me, please. Then we have this mesh ball. Then again, they're really hard to squish out because of the slime inside of them. So then is, this is the more squishier one. The reason why I cut this one is because it was the hardest one of them all, you know. Then my Neatos. I don't know why they're famous, but I have this one. I like this one the best, honestly, because it's just like squishier. And it's purple, of course. And then the next Neato I have is a color changing one. It changes to pink, yellow to pink, you know. But it's kind of harder to squish, but I still like it. But yeah, I'm treating my cousin for it, so yeah. Next, I'm bringing my infinity cube. Me and my sister traded. So this is mine now, you know. Next, I'm bringing my 2 puppets. This one was from her. This one I bought with my own money. This one is kind of flimsy. Sorry, Nana. And this one I bought with my own money. As you can see, it's a good side. Yeah. Perfect. Then my 2 water timers. This one's slower, this one's faster. So then I'm bringing my 2 wacky tracks. I almost have 2 everything, but I didn't bring everything, you know. So my 2 wacky tracks, this crappy smaller one. Like, see if I do that. If I barely do anything. This. I mean, I barely move in it, so it's not. But if I, and then if I do this one, you know, this one's also smaller. I only have this color. I wish I had a different color, but it's fine. And then I have a Rubik's Cube. I wish I had more fidgets though, too. It's like $100 though, for just this. And some more that are in the box. You know, a Rubik's Cube, because, you know, you never know. Then I'm bringing my 3 bag chains, as you can tell. So I have my black one. Let's fidget with it. Okay. Now let me show you this red brown. If I can get it to work. I can't. Okay. I guess. Then my original, the blue one. Then I have my atom ball. Get it? Atoms. if you're not in like 4th grade and above, of course I'm older than 4th grade, but then you wouldn't. If you are 4th grade and under, maybe not 4th grade, you wouldn't know what an atom is. It's matter, you know. I think mass. Atom is the smallest building block of mass. Yeah, an atom ball. Next one. My 7 more meshes. I'll play with one. You can go like this, like shake it around. Or you can pretend like that didn't happen. That's so embarrassing. And here's one of the bigger ones that I have. Okay, let me show you my smaller ones. I think this is a smaller one. This is a smaller one. Then my big one. See the difference? Okay. So, yeah, I forgot to put this in my fidget backpack. Let me just do that. Okay, next items are these 6 spiky balls. I'm not really sure what they are, but they're really fun to play with. See them? You like squish them together, you know. So much fun, you know. Look, my nose looks weird. Why does it look like that? I don't know why my nose looks like that, but it looks like that. You know. So you just squish them. Then I have my 5FX sensory. We're gonna show you them. So first one is this one. You can like feel it too. And like it made my head hurt. Okay, next is this one. You can like go in math class and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It only goes up to 8, but like you can like do that. You can, you know, just a fidget. Don't ask me why. And then next is this one. You can flip the buttons over. I like doing this. You can find this FX thingies at Walmart and the atom ball, but I don't know if you can get the Rubik's Cube at Walmart, definitely. So next is, oh geez, I left that on there too long. Does it still work? No, it does not. So turns out I actually kept this on there too long. I don't know if you can see this one. It's different, and it won't. Wait, maybe if I try the bottom. The bottom works, but not the top anymore. You can see because it's. Oh wait, it does. Wait. This is what it's for. I kind of like it, but the next one is my favorite. By the way, if you want to go check out my TikTok, my fidget TikTok, it's fidget Z friend, all together, no spaces, no underscores. Next, there's 4 owners. One is I'm owner 1. Then 2 is my sister's friend. And then 3 is my sister, and 4 is my cousin. You've seen my cousin, like, in the videos a year ago. 'Cause, One time we even did a pool challenge, you know. Yeah. But yeah, this is my favorite one. You know? Find this at your local Walmart. They also have like a little cube, like it's kind of not really a cube, like you can like touch it, you know. It's sensory stuff. Sensory, and this is what the box look like. So the purple one is still purple. This green one is silver. This blue one is that one. This gray one is this one. This yellow one is this blue one, you know? Next, I'm gonna bring my pea pot. I did have another one, but it broke when I popped it open, and it like fell apart, you know? This one's fixing too. Not fixing too, but it's got a little crack in it, you know? Some of these fidgets I just caught a couple days ago. Some of them broke. Some of them are lost. Okay, so this is one people. And next, this is the last item. So sad, I know, right? If I can get it together. Not it, there's many. There's your hint. What do you guys think it is? Comment down below. Before I show you, I'll wait. Sorry, that's my cat. She's purple. Okay, so if you comment down below, and if you didn't, then you can keep scrolling on this video. Don't watch this video no more. You can't do that. You can't cheat either. So, you guys off yet? I'll wait again. Okay, you're off. I hope you are. But they're monkey noodles. Give you a second to count how many there are. Just kidding. I gave my sister the pink one because I don't like pink. 2, 5. There's 5 of them. Yeehaw! Next will conclude today's fidget video. Bye guys!